welcome to Delca Nani's vlog. So today what I'm going to share with you guys is my ice cream recipe. I will show you my ingredients. Very simple. Ang atin pong kailangan ay mangga lamang at yogurt. Very healthy and yummy. Yan. Yan. Okay guys, the reason why I mash this one, para po may buo-buo siya, masarap. So now, ayan, tulad nga po mga kapatid ng sinabi ko sa inyo, ito po ang aming kinakain, breakfast. Tapos kapag tamad, ito po yung aming kinakain buong maghapon. Yun po, patamaran lang ito, di ba? Ayan. Most of the time po ay nilalagay ko po itong buong ano po na ito. Ito ay 907 grams. Nakikita niyo po yan? Ayan. Sobrang sarap po ito. So ngayon, titikman natin ha. Sarap. Ayan, idadagdag ko po, ilalagay ko. Yan. Nag-request yung aking asawa, imbis na ilagay ko lamang po siya sa isang container, nag-request siya na dapat daw ilagay ko daw sa maliliit na container para mas marami daw. Pag nilabas mo, hindi mo mailabas lahat. So, yan mga kapatid. Ito na po yung ating ice cream. Medyo linisin lang natin ng kaunti. At saka, ito yung ating popsicle. Yan. Ang popsicle, I think 1 hour lang okay na siya. Pero yung ating ice cream, ay mga 3 hours or 5 hours before po natin matikman yung ating yan. Hindi natin siya masyadong i-cover. Ay, hindi natin i-lock yung cover. Ganyan lang siya. Ayan. Tapos, ilalagay ko na po sila sa freezer. Kita-kits later. Ayan, andyan na sila. Maya-maya po lamang ay magkita-kita na tayo.
That's
Oh, oh my
that's your
God, Captain Crunch.
mango yogurt stick, ice cream stick.
Yeah, yeah.
Push ya.
There, oh.
It's it. Oh, that's your blue.
Ay, supposed to punuon day dapat nino aron ma-fall siya, no?
Ewan ko. May pakakailan pa kay homemade mango with yogurt.
What's the smell?
ice-
It smells like blue.
So,
Your opinion and mine differs a lot.
Of course.
you need to say something what you think about my ice cream.
For homemade fruit pops, they're good. I like them.
It's nice and icy, nice flavor. It's not too sweet.
That's what I like.
It's a little bit of a bite because it's the sharpness of the mango.
No, the mango and yogurt. This is
What kind of yogurt?
vanilla and honey.
Ah,
The honey probably gives us
Perfect.
even better texture.
It's yogurt.
next time, soon or someday, Mrs. Jenny Daniels will have a restaurant.
Wow.
A Greek gods.
It's like 6 mango and 1 of this one.
To make 4 pops? My God.
Ice cream.
Huh?
Ice cream.
Plus the ice cream.
And I have another here.
The mango, special mangoes.
The organic
stacked
mango?
up and stuff,
Oh my
they're
gosh,
kinda more
so-
red
it's so
looking,
yummy.
but man, I don't know where they grew them, but they were excellent. I eat fast.
I like cold.
The reason why I make this one because he really loves ice cream. So instead of buying the unhealthy, so better to make a healthy one. Yan, buo-buo
Yeah, I
pa
mean-
yung ano.
And the outside
Yung
of the house
manga.
is yellow.
And very
A
soft.
horrible color outside.
Voila! My mango and yogurt ice cream. Okay. What you can say?
It's very good. Mango ice cream, homemade mango ice cream
With yogurt.
with yogurt.
Yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you like my ice cream. What are you waiting for? You can do it yourself, and please like and share. And if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.